Hello grade 3, welcome to our new math lesson. We are in lesson 10.6, measure length. Our objective for today, to measure length to the nearest half or fourth inch and use measurement data to make a line plot. A ruler is like a number line. How is a ruler like a number line? They both start at 0 and are marked in equal sized distances. You have learned how to measure length to the nearest inch. Sometimes the length of an object is not a whole unit. For example, a paper clip is more than 1 inch, but less than 2 inches. You can measure length to the nearest half inch or fourth inch. The half inch markings on a ruler divide each inch into equal parts. The fourth inch markings divide each inch into 4 equal parts. Please open your books on page 593. Let's unlock the problem together. Example 1. Use a ruler to measure the glue stick to the nearest half inch. First, line up the left end of the glue stick with the 0 mark on the ruler. The right end of the glue stick is between the half inch marks for 2 and 2.5 inches. The mark that is closest to the right end of the glue stick is 4, very good, 2.5 inches. So the length of the glue stick to the nearest half inch is excellent, 2.5 inches. Example 2, use a ruler to measure the paper clip to the nearest fourth inch. Line up the left end of the paper clip with the 0 mark on the ruler. The right end of the paper clip is between the fourth inch marks for 1 2/4 and 1 3/4. The mark that is closest to the right end of the paper clip is for, wonderful, 1 3/4 inches. So the length of the paper clip to the nearest fourth inch is 1 3/4 inches. Please go to page 594. Measure the length to the nearest half inch. Is the key closest to 1.5 inches, 2 inches, or 2.5 inches? Please bring your ruler to measure with me. Yes, it is 2 inches. Very good. Good job. Let's go to page 595. Bring your rulers. Measure the length to the nearest fourth inch. I will give you time to measure this crayon. Let's do it together. Yes, it is 4 3/4 inches. Excellent. Good job. On your own, let's use these lines to answer question 3. Measure the length of the lines to the nearest half inch and make a line plot. Please pause this video and measure the lines and prepare your line plot. Then check your answers with me. Are you ready? Let's do it together. The title of this line plot is Length of Lines Measured to the Nearest Half Inch. The inches are 0, half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. How many lines are half inch? Yes, 1 line. How many lines are 1 inch? Excellent, 2. 1.5 inch. Excellent. I have 3 lines, 1.5 inches. How many lines are 2 inches? Very good. 2. How many lines are 2.5 inches? Excellent. Only one. Well done. Don't forget to copy the answers in your book. Open your books on page 596. Question 5. Tara has a magnet collection from places she visited. She measures the length of the magnets to the nearest half inch and records the data in a line plot. Are more magnets longer than 2.5 inches or shorter than 2.5 inches? Explain. Yes, longer than 2.5 inches. Because 7 magnets are longer than 2.5 inches and 6 magnets are shorter than 2.5 inches. 7 is greater than 6. Question 8. What is the length of the pencil to the nearest half inch? Measure the pencil. Yes, it is 3.5 inches. Explain how you measured the pencil. I lined up the left end of the inch ruler and the left end of the pencil. I read the ruler where the pencil ended. It was halfway between the 3 and 4 on the ruler. Do you see? That's great. Well done, my lovely students. Please don't forget to copy the answers in your book. Do page 597, questions 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bye-bye. See you soon.